expenses could be carried out. It would depend again on a case-to-case basis as of today. Some of the strengths of the Mediclaim policy are the only voluntary health insurance policy in the country. It provides protection against catastrophic health expenditure. In some of the plans, they have even added terrorist attacks, floods, in lieu of the last terrorist attack we had. So again, these policies keep on changing. So if somebody has an old policy and if somebody wants to get covered under riots, under floods, under accidents or under terrorist attacks, you might have to relook at the existing policy you have and renew your policy with an added clause. It's easily available by most insurance company and is being modified to make it more customer friendly. What are the weaknesses? Most of the insurance companies are wary about selling health insurance since they don't have data. In India, we don't have tabulated data which can access that, yes, this is the disease which is more predominant among this age group to this age group in this area and so on. Those kind of statistics are available worldwide. But because of lack of data, there is only a standard health policy which is being offered across the board by most of the insurance providers. There are a lot of problems in reimbursing the patients. I mean, we have seen so many cases in the newspaper of claims not being settled, of part of the claims being partially settled and so on, ranging from long delays to partial reimbursement. There are also reported fraud and manipulation by clients and provider, and the monitoring system is weak. The benefits packages need to be modified to suit the needs of the customers, and exclusions go against the health system logic of covering risk. Plus the reimbursement or the claim method also needs to make it more simpler. You have to fill a claim form, it has to be done within 30 days. There are a lot of rules and regulations which one need to follow when one has to go for a claim. And in most cases we are not informed. So therefore we are running from pillar to post, and by that time you have somebody in the hospital, there is no time to even remember to put in all the papers properly. And if one paper is missing, your claim can not be settled. So therefore for small administration or lack of information is where we get stuck and we face problems, and therefore to simplify the process is actually required to make it the need of the hour. The experiment with TPAs has also not been successful, and that's why you find a lot of the companies doing their claim settlements in-house, because it was getting very delayed, wrong checks, so many administrative problems they were facing. And therefore, that's why first Bajaj Alliance had given it externally to a TPA to handle the claims, but now they've done it in-house. These weaknesses have resulted in Mediclaim topping the number of grievances in the non-life sector. But yes, we cannot even do without it, because that is also a requirement to cover the huge expenditure as we advance in our lifestyle, where the lifestyle diseases are also increasing. The need for coverage, the need for getting ourselves insured for preventive and post-hospitalization health becomes even more. So you have to have a combination of your life insurance and your health insurance to see that you and the family members are adequately covered. And that's what is very, very essential need of the hour.